welcome back to my channel Aparna's Home TV, where I share my passion for cooking, beauty and health. So in today's video I'm going to share with you Sephora Play subscription box review September box. This is September box. I know I'm late in sharing this video, but I didn't check this box yet, just in the I wanted to share with you guys, so I didn't check my box yet. So let's check it together. Sorry for the words. So let's see what I got. First things first, I review and you decide whether the subscription box is right for you or not. So let's see if I like this box or not. Okay. Products looks good to me, so let's see what I got. First thing is Sephora Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara. I love mascara, sample size mascaras especially, because I feel like the product is concentrated more in small packages. I absolutely love this, so I would give it thumbs up. Whoa! I got Marc Jacobs foundation sample, and I absolutely love foundation samples again. So again, one more thumbs up. I've got Philosophy Grace perfume. I love perfume samples too. I can't afford expensive perfumes, so this is like a best way to try in the expensive perfumes. I absolutely love them. I can't read this package because it's really light. So this is Boscia Cactus Water Moisturizer. Wow, I really love anything for my skin. I never tried this product, so I'm all up for it. Again, a plus. Wow. This is Too Faced Hangover Primer. I was meaning to try this for so many months right now, so this is a good way to try it. Again, thumbs up. And the last product is Ole Henriksen Truth Serum. I never tried this either, so absolutely up for me. So this box, I found the products I have never used. I would definitely give it the thumbs up. What did you get in your September box? Please share with me in the comment section. And if you didn't subscribe to your Sephora Play, or you don't know what it is, I did a lot of videos below. So please do check the subscription playlist. You will know what they are, and it will help you make a decision whether to subscribe to certain subscription box or not. I hope this video has helped you in making a decision to subscribe to Sephora Play or not. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to check out the 2 videos that pop up at the end of this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the button on the right. Thank you guys. Bye for now.